Okay, we are back at Tomlin Road. So DNR Builder has done pretty much all the works needed. I think, so the kitchen's in, the bathroom's in. There's testing the bathtub right now. So I'll show you upstairs shortly. Actually, these keys are actually really important. So I'm going to put them in here. The reason is if these are lost and these are locked, it's actually quite expensive to find replacements. So yeah, when you complete, just make sure you're trying to get as many keys as possible, or at least have these windows opened. That's not a fit. Okay, so plastering's been done. Alex is here starting the painting. He's starting upstairs. Flooring is done. So these radiators will be hung once all the decorating has been done. It's a very tidy site. Our electric's set out. I think the plastering's drying here. So that's another radiator there. Then some radiators. So what I'll do is I'll make a separate video for the flooring, and then we'll send that to our carpet supplier and fitter. Get them to come and get them to come and do a quote as well. This is the new lovely stairs. So again, previously the wallpaper here was really difficult to get off, and unfortunately it took all the walls off, so we had to replaster everything. So, but now, you know, it wasn't cheap, but to be fair, it was actually a really good price that Dean did it for. Plastering in general isn't cheap, but anyway, but now it will look great because now this will look like a proper new house rather than painting over old wallpaper, especially old wallpaper that is, you know, has a lot of texture to it, which doesn't give you that new house look. It just gives you that tired landlord job sort of look. Okay, so as you see, the painting has started. These are starting to look like rooms now. So what I need to get is, or I'll ask Alex to get new energy saving light bulbs throughout, just so that we can have lighting in here when it's dark as well. So bedroom, and then bathroom. Yep, so new ceiling, new wall. That was completely gutted. This is a new bathroom unit. Tiling is nice. And now as you see, that's the water that's just testing it. And if you don't know me already, my name is Nguyen. We let and manage high quality HMOs and single lets in and around Birmingham. We also source properties, renovate them, and then let them manage them for our clients as well. This bathroom is actually a really good sized family bathroom. Like, you just can't complain about the size of this bathroom. Anyway, see you.